In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Threads profile link to your Instagram bio and re-enable the Threads badge. If your Threads badge is no longer showing on Instagram, or you simply want to make it easier for people to find your Threads profile, this is a quick and useful fix. We'll be adding your Threads profile as an external link inside Instagram, which can help reconnect your audience across both platforms. The process is simple, and it only takes a moment once you know where to go. First, open the Threads app. In some cases, just opening Threads can automatically re-enable the bio badge on Instagram. So this is a good first step to try before changing anything else. Once you're in Threads, look for your profile link. You want to copy your Threads URL, which will look something like threads.net/ at your username. Make sure you copy the correct profile link so people who tap it are taken directly to your Threads account. After that, switch over to Instagram. Go to your profile, then tap Edit Profile. This is where you can update the information people see when they visit your account, including any links you want to share. Inside the Edit Profile section, find the option labeled Links and tap on it. Next, choose Add External Link. This allows you to place a clickable link directly in your Instagram profile. In the URL field, paste the Threads profile link you copied earlier. Take a second to double check that the link was pasted correctly, especially your username, so there are no errors when someone opens it. Once everything looks right, tap Done to save your changes. Your Threads profile link should now appear in your Instagram bio section under your links. This gives your followers a direct path to your Threads account, which is especially helpful if you're active on both platforms and want to keep your audience connected. As a final tip after saving, visit your Instagram profile and test the link yourself. That way you can confirm it opens the correct Threads page and everything is working exactly as expected. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can restore visibility to your Threads presence and make your profile more connected across Instagram and Threads.